be there for you. Cause you were never there for me. Don't go ask me what you did wrong.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's Jessica. Welcome back. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I'm excited about today's video because I just, slayed my hair and I'm loving it. These are crochet braids that I just installed using the new Bobbi Boss Bay Locks. I got these from Elevate Styles. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I saw this at first, I was like, what are we doing here? Like, what are we trying to accomplish? I honestly just didn't think this would look good on me at all. I didn't think it would look good, period. I'm not gonna even front. Bobbi Boss decided to make all of our lives extremely easier by applying or installing accessories to these locks. Like, how brilliant is that? A lot of times you want that customized, fierce little lock style or braid style, and your local beauty supply store may not carry accessories, but the fact that they're already applied to your crochet braids, come on. These are 12 inches. I do believe they have a longer one. I don't know if it's 16 or 18 inches, I'm not sure, but they do have a longer one. I really like this short one though. I believe it comes with 12 per pack. I used about 7 packs in my hair, and it feels light, doesn't feel heavy or weighed down whatsoever. I was literally thoroughly impressed and shocked with the outcome of this look. So I'm gonna stop rambling. Jessica, can you talk? And share with you guys how I got this look. So if you are excited to see how I install my locks in my hair, let's dive into the video. All right, so I have my hair braided straight back. Don't worry about if your braids aren't as neat, if you're not a good braider or anything like that, because you won't be able to see the braids. So I probably have like maybe 10 braids going straight back. I'm gonna be installing the Bobbi Boss Bay Locks. These are so cute. These are 12-inch locks. I have the color 1B. What I love about this, let me take it out the package. Out the package, you can see that they have it threaded. So you have some accessories already installed in your locks, which I think is so cute. It also makes for more, like fun styles, so they're not just like your normal locks. And if you don't have accessories on hand, then boom, you're already good to go. Also, it claims to be lightweight, and these do feel really light. So I believe each pack comes with 12 locks. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. I haven't done crochet braids in a long time. All right, so I'm just gonna attach it to my crochet needle. Done this in so long, I feel like I'm a little rusty. I hope I'm doing this right. What I've been doing, you see how the ends kind of come like just very uniform and blunt? I pull the curl down and then kind of like scrunch the rest up so that it gives that curl effect at the bottom, kind of like the goddess locks. So that's what I've been doing so far, just so it doesn't look so neat and uniform. So far, this is 2 packs of hair, so this is what I got going on. 2 packs almost did half of my hair, so I'll probably need another 3 to 3.5 packs, because I really don't want this to be extremely full, because I don't want it to look like I have a mop on my head and I don't want it to feel kind of weighed down. But yeah, this is what I have going on so far. It's kind of cute. So I'm down to my last 2 packs. So this is what I got going on so far. I feel like I have a lot of hair on my head. This is more than I'm used to. There's a lot going on there. If you were to do this like individually, it probably wouldn't look as full as this. It would be a little bit more realistic, but when you do crochet braids, you tend to have a lot more hair on your head because you're trying to cover up the braids. So just, take that into account. It doesn't feel heavy. It's just that I know I have a lot of hair on my head. So I'm going to try to only use one of the 2, but if I need to use 2, then, so be it. I'm just gonna have to finesse it so it doesn't feel so overbearing for my little face, because right now I just feel like it's a lot. But let me just finish up. this is the completed look, and I actually really like this. Honestly, in the beginning I was like what is this? Like, really, what is this? When I seen it, I'm not gonna even front, when I saw it in the package, I had a what is this moment. I didn't think it was going to translate as well as a style, because I just feel like sometimes with crochet locks, they're a hit and miss. This is actually a look, okay? Not L-O-O-K, but L-E-W-K, because I mean, I love how it looks with the more undone ends. So like, you really totally don't have to, you can customize your look. It doesn't have to be what's straight out of the package. Like, if you want to make it look a little bit more, you know, undone, because I feel like undone is a look, totally go in and customize it. And I love the fact that it does have like these accessories, because sometimes, you know, either your local beauty supply store doesn't carry accessories that are cute, or they just don't have any at all. The fact that these crochet locks already have accessories installed for you, like, literally, what are we doing in 2018? We are making it convenient, okay? So Bobbi Boss literally did that. I love this. Just, oh my God, I didn't think I was gonna like it. I just took off my wig and was like, we can't go outside looking like that, and popped this in my head, and I have a style. I have a style for the week. I think that's what I love about crochet braids. Like, you could go literally from looking a hot mess to looking just beat to death. And I just think this is so, like, where is my travel bag? I need to go somewhere. I need to go somewhere. I need to be on a vacation with this hair. Look, vacation hair, y'all. Like, I mean, you don't have to spend a lot of money on getting your hair done, and you don't have to be a stylist. You don't have to be the most, you don't have to be the best at doing hair. The work is already done for you. Like, it's seriously already done for you. And I just cannot get over this. This is so cute. I'm glad I tried it out. I really am. I was not feeling it in the package. Never just go based off of the package. Test it out for yourself, play around with it, customize it to your liking, and you will be pleasantly surprised. All right, y'all, that is all. So this is my install of the Bobbi Boss Bay locks, and you guys can tell it's a hit. Let me know down below how you guys are digging this look. Have you tried these locks? After this video, are you wanting to try these locks? Be sure to subscribe if you aren't subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up, share with a friend. All right, y'all, that is all. See you guys in my next video. Bye.